Hello everyone and welcome to Shifting Gears. With me today I have the TVS Raider commuter motorcycle. इस बाइक की प्राइसिंग जो है इट रेंजेस बिटवीन 83,000 टू 87,500. आपको दो वेरिएंट्स मिल रहे हैं, वन विद अ ड्रम ब्रेक एट द फ्रंट एंड द अदर विद अ डिस्क ब्रेक एट द फ्रंट. TVS is also going to introduce a third variant with a TFT color display instrument cluster which will also get Bluetooth connectivity. As of date, ये बाइक जब आपको मिल रही है at the moment, you are not going to get Bluetooth connectivity as an option with this TVS Raider. लेकिन फिर भी ये मोटरसाइकिल दिखती काफ़ी स्टाइलिश है. इट इज़ क्वाइट अ यूनिक फ्लेवर, इट इज़ क्वाइट अ स्टाइलिश एंड स्पोर्टी फ्लेवर फॉर द कम्यूटर क्लास, फॉर द 125cc segment. So in this video we are going to check out if this motorcycle has enough go to meet the show. Is the performance good enough? Can you commute happily for a really long time throughout your ownership cycle on this bike? हमने इस मोटरसाइकिल के डिज़ाइन डिटेल्स के बारे में, ergonomics के बारे में, फीचर्स के बारे में एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड किया है. सो डू चेक इट आउट एंड लेट अस नो इफ़ यू वुड स्पेंड योर हार्ड अर्नड मनी एंड परचेज दिस TVS Raider. नाउ फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द इंजन स्पेसिफिकेशंस. इस TVS Raider मोटरसाइकिल के साथ आपको एक 124.8cc सिंगल सिलेंडर फ्यूल इंजेक्टेड एयर ऑयल कूल्ड मोटर मिल रहा है. This motor produces 11.22 HP of power at 7,500 RPM and 11.2 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक 5 स्पीड का गियर बॉक्स मिल जाता है. The curb weight is 123 kilograms. The motorcycle gets a 10-liter fuel tank capacity and the ground clearance is 180 millimeters. Now this is a 3-valve engine and the numbers might suggest that this engine is shared with the Ntorq, but TVS claims that this is an all new engine. It has nothing to do with the Ntorq. By the way, आपको इस बाइक के साथ एक ISG मिल जाता है, starter motor generator, because of which this motorcycle starts in a very silent fashion. Just listen to this. When I press the starter button, it very quietly comes to life, and this exhaust note, by the way, is very throaty and it is very noticeable. For a 125cc class bike, this bike does sound good. One more time. Listen to how quietly this TVS Raider starts up. You don't get that starter motor sound because that ISG is ensuring that this TVS Raider stays silent. आप एक और चीज़ नोटिस करोगे that I am switching this bike off making use of the key, क्योंकि इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक engine kill switch नहीं मिल रहा है. This button over here is for you to toggle the ride modes. आपको eco और power दो ride modes मिल रहे हैं and you can switch between these modes on the fly. Also when you do this, आपको speedometer cluster पे भी नज़र आएगा that you have changed your riding mode. Now TVS claims that this Raider commuter motorcycle will sprint from 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds, and that is quite acceptable for a commuter motorcycle. We are not really going to debate on that. अगर top speed की बात करें तो on a long straight you can probably hit 110 kilometers per hour, but for that you are going to need a really long stretch of road. Otherwise, hitting 100 kilometers per hour is not a task, but in eco mode your top speed is going to be restricted at close to 90. But in power mode you can do triple digit speeds. आप देख सकते हो इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक टेलीस्कोपिक फ्रंट सस्पेंशन दिया गया है. The rear is a monoshock which is 5-step adjustable. So this TVS Raider has all the necessary kit that you might need and expect from a 125cc segment motorcycle. But now let's swing a leg and let us find out if this entire package comes across as a good enough motorcycle, if this TVS Raider can deliver a pleasant riding experience for your daily commutes. So 11.2 HP of power, 11.2 Newton meters of torque, and a good looking motorcycle. Let's first again experience how silent the start is. Check this out. And this exhaust note, it is so pleasing. The mic is inside my full-faced helmet, closing the visor right now. Listen to the exhaust.
quite nice, quite throaty for a 125cc class bike. Now let's start riding. Let's be realistic with this TVS Raider. Ever since I have been riding this bike, this is day 3 for me with this motorcycle, I have been very impressed with the overall package. I don't want you to wait till the end of this video to know my verdict. If you are in the market to buy a stylish looking commuter, to buy a premium commuter, just go ahead and at least test ride this bike. ये बाइक दिखती काफ़ी अच्छी है, फीचर्स काफ़ी बढ़िया है, फिट और फिनिश भी डिसेंट है और परफॉर्मेंस जो है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है और इसके वजह से ये बाइक आपको काफ़ी पसंद आएगी. There are very few or probably no other motorcycle in this class offers you such a sporty riding stance which is going to keep you engaged as much as this TVS Raider does. And because of that, this is not a boring, plain Jane, vanilla 125cc commuter. सालों से जब से हम 125cc सेगमेंट की मोटरसाइकिल्स को देखते आ रहे हैं, we never really thought they are exciting, did we? But this one is just changing that perception, and thank you TVS for bringing out such a product. This probably is one of the best 125cc motorcycles in the segment, and it has quite a few features which we will talk about in this video. The first thing that I want to talk about is the weight. 123 kilograms. That makes this bike very light. It is so flickable. And अगर ये आपकी पहली मोटरसाइकिल होने वाली है, आप इसे काफ़ी आसानी से समझ पाओगे और आप इस बाइक को काफ़ी आसानी से एक्सपीरियंस कर पाओगे, चला सकोगे और ट्रैफिक में भी मैनेज कर पाओगे. Even at parking speeds, if you have to push the bike, if you have to move around this motorcycle, it is not going to be too much of an effort. So you can easily live with this bike. The next point, which is very important to make note of, is the ergonomics part. इस बाइक के साथ आपको rear set foot pegs मिल रहे हैं. The riding posture is sporty compared to other commuters in the segment. So your knee angle, your knee bend is slightly acute. It keeps you in an engaged riding posture. लेकिन हैंडल बार जो है वो ज़्यादा लो नहीं है, आप ज़्यादा आगे की तरफ झुक के नहीं बैठते हो. It is not like you are riding a naked street fighter sport bike. This is still very much a commuter but with a sporty intent, and I really like this format. I have not really liked center set pegs. I just don't like that kind of a laid back riding stance. This I think suits my kind of riding as well, और ये मोटरसाइकिल जो है काफ़ी यंगस्टर्स को भी इस वजह से पसंद आएगी. That you know, you are not sitting in a very boring upright riding posture. Yes, you are still upright. Yes, this is still comfortable. आप इस राइडर्स ट्रायंगल में दिन भर कम्यूट कर पाओगे और आपको थकान महसूस नहीं होगी. And of course, that is something of primary importance when you are buying a commuter class motorcycle, isn't it? So you will not be disappointed. The sporty nature of this bike is just bare minimum. It is just to differentiate this TVS Raider from the competition. It is still a comfortable motorcycle nevertheless. Ergonomics में भी आपको कोई problems नहीं होने वाले हैं. Everything is spot on. The switch gear easy to operate and quite tactile as well. Now, when I come to a standstill, check this out. इस बाइक के साथ आपको stop start system मिल रहा है. So once this A logo starts flashing, अभी इस बाइक की इंजन बंद हो चुकी है. And when I want to bring it back to life, I can simply move the accelerator, and now you might have heard the exhaust sound. So the bike has come back to life. जैसे ही आप बाइक फिर से शुरू कर देते हो, after that auto stop feature had cut the engine off, it will not immediately switch off again. So that is a good thing. स्विच गियर पे आपको उस ऑटो स्टार्ट स्टॉप फंक्शनैलिटी को ऑन या ऑफ करने का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं दिया गया है. बट इट इज़ ऑल राइट. आई एम ओके विद दिस फीचर बिकॉज इट इज़ गोइंग टू सेव फ्यूल. and in this segment people are price sensitive, so saving fuel and getting better mileage and requiring lesser fuel stops is an added bonus, so why not have it? I don't really feel the need to switch it off. Also, जब आप ये बाइक चला रहे होंगे, on the speedometer cluster you will notice that a logo, that a telltale sign, which is going to tell you that that feature can now be used and the battery is charged enough. If the battery doesn't have enough juice to fire up the engine again, it will not switch off your motor. Also, अगर आप पावर मोड में इस गाड़ी को चला लोगे तभी वो फीचर नहीं चलने वाला है. This motorcycle gets eco and power modes. दो राइडिंग मोड्स आपको दिए गए हैं. This is not an engine kill switch. This is your riding mode toggle control. You can switch between these riding modes on the go. लेकिन जब आप बाइक चला रहे होंगे, you will have to kill the throttle. You will have to release the throttle for the throttle map to switch. Because if you keep your throttle twisted and if you change between the riding modes जो हैं वो flash होते रहेंगे, but they are not going to get activated till the time you release the throttle and then the switch will happen. So you will have to keep that in mind and you will get used to it as well in your ownership cycle. Now the difference is, जब आप eco mode में इस बाइक को चलाने वाले हो, eco mode is for more mileage. eco mode में auto start stop functionality भी active रहता है as a feature to save fuel. And in eco mode, this motorcycle will achieve a max speed of close to 90 kilometers per hour. Also, in eco mode, your revs are going to be limited. You will not be allowed to rev till the limiter. You will feel that you are bouncing on the rev counter when you are in eco mode if you are riding it too fast. लेकिन जब आप पावर मोड में स्विच कर दोगे इस बाइक को, you will be able to ride it up to 110 kilometers per hour if you get a long stretch of road. और मेरे हिसाब से 110 की स्पीड 125 सीसी मोटरसाइकिल के लिए काफ़ी है. And TVS is not even claiming that high a top speed, so this is good enough. There shouldn't be any complaints in that department. This is not supposed to be a fast bike. This is supposed to be an engaging, sporty-looking premium commuter motorcycle. राइडिंग मोड्स में जब आप स्विच करते हो, आपको ज़्यादा कोई चेंज फील नहीं होगा if you are someone who rides with a gentle right wrist. So if you are not someone who is hungry on the throttle, you will not necessarily feel the difference. It is just that when you want to ride fast, if you want to sprint from a signal, at that time you might notice the change in power output, the change in your throttle input. The next important point to talk about is the mileage. अब ये 125 सीसी क्लास बाइक है और ये कम्यूटर बाइक है, तो माइलेज एक काफ़ी बड़ा पॉइंट है. मैं इस बाइक को काफ़ी समय के लिए चला चुका हूँ and I have ridden it inside the city. Right now I am commuting on the highway and I have ridden it fast quite a bit to experience the top speed. So 57 kmpl is the mileage that I can see on the speedometer cluster, and that number in my books is reasonable. अगर आप सिर्फ हाईवे पे इस बाइक को चलाने वाले हो, when I was commuting on the highway, I tried to reset this mileage meter and it was showing somewhere between 65 to 75 kmpl. So that is going to vary if you are riding with a pillion or not. ये जो TVS की Raider है, although it looks sporty, it is quite efficient as well. So it is going to be kind to your wallet. It is not going to demand too much of fuel stops. 10 लीटर की fuel tank capacity मिल रही है. So you are easily going to get a riding range between fuel stops of 500 to 650 kilometers, and that is good enough. So maybe you will need a fuel stop once a week. So that is quite convenient as well. इस मोटरसाइकिल के डिजिटल स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर में आपको काफ़ी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन नज़र आती है. You get a gear position indicator, you get gear position upshift and downshift assistance. आपको एक डिजिटल टाकोमीटर मिल जाता है. You get a digital speed readout, you have a clock, you have your odometer, you have 2 trip meters, you have your average fuel economy, you have your range displayed over there, and all of this data is easy to consume. यूनिट जो है ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, आप देख सकते हो, लेकिन फिर भी it is not too cluttered in my opinion. Now this unit doesn't get Bluetooth connectivity, but TVS claims that somewhere down the line they are going to introduce a TFT color display unit with Bluetooth and voice assistance, and probably you will also get turn-by-turn navigation on that particular unit. Nevertheless, ये setup जो है for this segment and at this price, it is good enough and I have no complaints. इसके बाद का जो पॉइंट है जिसके बारे में मुझे बात करनी है, that is the gearbox. इस TVS Raider के साथ आपको एक 5-speed unit मिल रहा है, a 5-speed gearbox, and it is super slick. Not even once did this motorcycle misshift or make a clunky sound, and that is a big highlight, because when you are commuting on a daily basis, if you would have to put in too much of an effort on the gearbox, it would just add a lot of stress to your commute. This is effortless. क्लच एक्शन जो है वो भी काफ़ी लाइट है, क्लच रिलीज जो ट्रांजिशन है वो भी काफ़ी स्मूथ है, तो ये बाइक ऑपरेट करने के लिए काफ़ी आसान है और काफ़ी प्लेजेंट है, एंड यू विल रियली हैव अ गुड टाइम राइडिंग दिस TVS Raider मोटरसाइकिल. बाय द वे, इस बाइक के साथ आपको कोई स्लिपर असिस्ट क्लच नहीं मिलता है. दिस इज नॉट अ स्पोर्ट बाइक, सो don't expect that as a feature on this motorcycle. I have come to a standstill now because I'm going to sprint hard. Listen to the exhaust and listen to the engine. I'm still in eco mode, by the way. And for a 125cc motorcycle, this TVS Raider does pick up pace in a reasonable fashion, and power delivery is quite linear and it is very easy to understand. But then I was in eco mode. I will switch to power mode in just a few minutes once I hit the highway. But overall, quite a pleasant motorcycle, and you will not be left wanting for more, because if you have bought a commuter class motorcycle, you know that you can't expect a higher top end than 110 kilometers per hour or faster acceleration than what this bike offers. TVS का claim है that this Raider can achieve 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds, and that for me is okay. Now I am again going to come to a standstill. I am switching to power ride mode, and now I am going to sprint. Listen to the engine, listen to the exhaust. Very easy to achieve 80 kilometers per hour, and as you can notice, this TVS Raider will easily achieve 100 kilometers per hour. I'm not really going to keep riding hard and fast because we are commuting in working hours, and the speed limits are not going to allow us to do that. लेकिन अभी जब मैं पावर मोड में इस बाइक को तेज चला रहा था, the vibrations are really well controlled. Even at higher revs, even closer to the red line, आपको इंजन का कोर्सनेस सुनाई देता है. इंजन का कोर्सनेस थोड़ा बहुत एज अ पल्सेशन आपको फुट पे और फ्यूल टैंक पे फील होता है, बट दैट इज वेरी माइल्ड. आई वुडंट कॉल इट uncomfortable vibrations as such. So TVS has done a fine job in the engine department of this Raider commuter motorcycle. So now let's come to the engine part. Throughout my review ride, I have been very pleased. The engine is very tractable, and the torque delivery lower down in the rev range is very good. I'm in 5th gear right now. Let me move to the slow lane. I'm going to slow down, so just check out how comfortable the motorcycle is in a higher gear at lower speed. So letting the speed drop to 30 kilometers per hour. Check this out. Very comfortable. No hesitation, no jerks, no knocking. So when you are commuting with this bike on a daily basis, आपको frequent gear shifts करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. And Since there will be fewer gear shifts demanded, you will not be tired and you will not be stressed by the time you reach your destination. When you are at crawling speeds, say for example like this, when you are approaching a toll booth, you can easily be in second gear. Check this out, I'm not even switching to first gear, just slipping the clutch and modulating the throttle, and this TVS Raider can perform effortlessly. It is not demanding that I should shift down to the first gear. So overall this is quite an effortless motorcycle to ride. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक एयर ऑयल कूल्ड इंजन मिल रही है. Now there is no oil cooler as such, but the clutch cover, the right hand side engine casing, has those aero fins which are going to help in thermal efficiency, which is going to help cool the engine of this TVS Raider so that you can ride for a longer distance without the engine feeling stressed. And I am very happy to report that this engine is not going to feel stressed if you are going to ride all day long at 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. And for a 125cc class bike, that speed number is towards the upper end, is towards the limit. So this bike is very likable and it is just exciting for the segment. The next point to talk about is the chassis. इस बाइक के साथ, इस TVS Raider के साथ आपको एक सिंगल डाउन ट्यूब फ्रेम मिल रही है and overall it feels very agile. It changes directions with confidence and with absolute ease. So swinging it around and cutting through traffic, slicing through crawling traffic snarls, it is very easy. Also out on the highway आप काफ़ी आसानी से डायरेक्शन चेंज कर पाओगे. If you are riding hard, if you are riding fast in a ghat, this motorcycle changes direction and gives you that confidence that you can do more maybe and better if you are confident enough to push such a product further. And the chassis is very communicative. For a commuter class motorcycle, this is surprisingly engaging. And although I ride a KTM 390 Adventure on a daily basis, that is my personal motorcycle. Yesterday I was riding the Yamaha YZF R15 version 4, which is the benchmark of best handling motorcycles under rupees 2 lakh. But this TVS Raider still has managed to surprise me and please me with its ride and handling abilities. So trust me guys, just go and check it out. आप एक बार टेस्ट राइड लेके एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए how good of a motorcycle TVS is offering to you. Don't go and buy the typical 125cc bikes just because they sell in large numbers. If you feel more connected to this bike than the others, trust me, in your ownership cycle, you will be a much happier commuter. The next point is ride quality. Telescopic front forks, rear moonshock with 5-step adjustment. Ride quality जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छी है and it is comfortable as per commuter class standards. The ride setup has a firm edge to it, but it soaks up the bumps quite well. ज़्यादा झटके आपको फील नहीं होते हैं और आप लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कम्यूट्स आसानी से कर पाओगे. The seat is very comfortable and the seat is soft as well. तो ये चीज़ भी आपके डेली कम्यूट्स में आपका अच्छा साथ देगी. The seat base is also quite wide, so it accommodates your bottom generously and there is ample room to move around. So in terms of ride quality as well, this TVS Raider does a decent job. It does a good job actually. The next point are the tires. TVS Remora tubeless tires. Nothing much to talk about. Commuter class width and proportions, but good grip, no drama, no screeching and squealing even under hard braking, so it does the job just right. Coming to the braking setup, इस मोटरसाइकिल की इंजन कैपेसिटी 125cc नहीं है exactly. It is under 125cc. So because of that, TVS could slide under the regulations and not offer ABS with this bike. but you are getting combined braking setup with this motorcycle for safety. So rear brake जब आप अप्लाई कर देते हो, दोनों ही ब्रेक्स जो हैं वो अप्लाई हो जाते हैं. इस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ आपको एक डिस्क ब्रेक मिल जाता है एट द फ्रंट. नो सिंगल चैनल ABS. I wish that was on offer. That would have just sweetened the deal. But the front brake bite and feel is acceptable. Like you might have noticed, I could very easily and comfortably slow down the bike, and the lever feel is acceptable, and the bike doesn't nosedive too much, which again gives you a hint that the suspension is not too soft for a commuter motorcycle. And then the rear brake of this motorcycle, the braking bite is good because when you apply the rear brake, दोनों ही brakes apply हो जाते हैं. So you know that is going to help reduce the stopping distance. So that combined braking feature is actually very very useful. लेकिन अगर आप ज़्यादा हार्ड ब्रेक पेडल प्रेस कर देते हो, you can lock the rear wheel. So you know, be careful. Also, if you are new to motorcycling, because this bike gets a disc brake at the front and there is no single channel ABS, just understand the braking bite और उसके बाद आप इस बाइक को तेज चलाइए और उसके बाद आप हार्ड ब्रेकिंग करने की कोशिश कीजिए. So now I have again come to a standstill, right? So check this out. Slotting it in neutral and the A logo is flashing, and now the engine has switched off. To start the motorcycle again, just twist the throttle and this TVS Raider has come back to life. I am in eco mode, and now I am going to tell you the optimum shift points, because this motorcycle gets gear shift indication. So in first gear at close to 4500, upshifted from first to second. From second to third, the prompt is at 5000 RPM. From third to fourth, the prompt was at 4500 RPM again. And to switch from fourth to fifth, the prompt again was close to 4500 RPM. So I think roughly 4500 RPM mark is going to be ideal for upshifts. और जब आप इस रेव रेंज में गियर चेंजेस करते रहोगे, आपको काफ़ी बढ़िया माइलेज मिलते रहेगा फ्रॉम दिस TVS Raider, एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी इकोनॉमिकल फॉर योर डेली कम्यूट्स. इफ यू स्विच टू पावर मोड, आपको थ्रॉटल रिस्पॉन्स जो है वो थोड़ा क्रिस्प फील होगा. एंड इफ यू आर इन पावर मोड, right now I am in fifth gear, but at 4500 RPM the motorcycle is actually asking me to downshift so that I should be in a higher rev range. So power mode is actually going to help you learn the power band of this motorcycle better, so that you can exploit all of that 11.2 HP and 11.2 Newton meters. So you know, you will be able to make the most that this engine has to offer to you. So in power mode, your upshift prompts are going to be much higher in the rev range. So in my books, this TVS Raider commuter motorcycle is a fantastic 125cc class motorcycle. The engine is nice and refined. Performance is up to the mark or maybe better than competition. Top speed of over 100 km per hour is also quite acceptable. The gearbox is super slick and it is very smooth. The clutch operation is also very light. The chassis is very communicative and the motorcycle feels light on its toes, and it is very easy to flick around. Tires offer you good grip. It looks fantastic, and this speedometer cluster has so much information to share with you. Now the looks can be quirky in some people's books, तो आप हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा अगर आपको लगता है ये मोटरसाइकिल दिखने में खूबसूरत है या नहीं. इफ़ यू थिंक दिस इज़ अ गुड लुकिंग बाइक और नॉट. एंड विद ऑल दैट आई हैव शेयर्ड विद यू सो फार अबाउट द राइडिंग एक्सपीरियंस, लेट मी नो इफ यू थिंक दिस मोटरसाइकिल इज गोइंग टू बी गुड इनफ फॉर योर डेली commutes. If you have any other queries, do ask me in the comments below. I will be more than happy to help you out. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, always ride safe, always ride responsibly, and always wear helmets.